Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about how to buy games from other regions on Nintendo Switch. There are a few things that you need to consider, so let's get right into it. The first thing that you can do is go to the system settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down to find system options. And then over here, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will find region. Over here you can select your desired region. In addition to that, you can also create a new Nintendo account. However, it is probably good to use a VPN in order to create a new account. And since it might be difficult to do that on Nintendo Switch, ideally you probably want it to do on your computer or laptop or whatever. You may also want to create a new user on Nintendo Switch when creating a new Nintendo account. So, because obviously you will need to link it on Nintendo Switch with your profile, you may need to go to user in the system settings, and then you might need to add a new user, and then as the new user you may need to link it with the new Nintendo account with VPN in the new region. And that's how you can buy games from other regions. Once you do that, once you do every of these steps, you should be able to go to Nintendo eShop and potentially see games from other regions. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!